In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the player controls in Vimeo. This is a handy feature if you're looking to create a cleaner viewing experience for your audience, or if you want to guide their focus entirely on the video content without any distractions. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you want to open your web browser and navigate to Vimeo.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's simple to create one, and you'll definitely benefit from all the features Vimeo offers. Now that you're signed in, you'll want to head over to your library. This is where all your videos are stored. Just look for the word Library in the menu and give that a click. It will bring you to a page that lists all the videos you've uploaded. Next up, find the specific video you want to customize. You can scroll through the list to find it, or use the search function if you have a lot of videos. Once you spot the video, click on it. This will take you to the video's edit page, where you'll find various settings you can tweak. On the left sidebar of the video editing interface, you should see a menu. Look for the option labeled Appearance, and click on that. This sets you up to adjust how the video will appear when it's embedded on other sites. After you click on Appearance, you'll need to switch over to the Embed tab. This is where you'll find all the settings related to how your video is displayed on external websites. Now scroll down until you reach the Controls section. Here you'll find various options related to how the video controls function. The goal here is to locate the option labeled Hide All. This feature allows you to hide all of the player controls, which can help keep your viewers focused on the video itself. Once you find the Hide All option, go ahead and turn it on. You'll see a toggle switch or checkbox that you can easily click to activate this setting. It's a straightforward process, but it makes a big difference in terms of the visual impact of your video. After you've enabled the option to hide all controls, it's important not to forget one last step, and that's to click Save. Without that, your settings won't be applied. So go ahead and make sure you save your changes. Once you've done this, the player controls will now be hidden whenever the video is embedded. This means that when you share your video on your own website or on social media, your audience will view it without any on-screen distractions. And that's it. It's a simple but effective way to customize your video. Just remember, while hiding controls can create a more streamlined viewing experience, it also means viewers won't have access to pause, play, or adjust the volume directly. So be sure that this approach aligns with your goals for the video. I hope you found this guide helpful. It's all about enhancing the viewer experience, and sometimes that means simplifying what they see on the screen. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it valuable, please consider subscribing and giving a thumbs up to the video. Your support helps me create more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time for another quick tutorial on how to make the most out of your video projects.